YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's 180 pressure side pool cleaner. We're going to take this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's 180. This is their 3-wheel pressure side pool cleaner. As you guys can tell, I don't have any more wheels on it. If you guys want to know how I got down to where I am right now, make sure you guys check out the link in the description. We'll have the playlist available for you guys, walking you guys through basically all the quick fixes from the outside in. For today's video, you will need to remove quite a bit of the internals in order to get to the turbine. I want to show you guys how to completely remove your turbine and show you guys some of the different pieces of the turbine so that you guys know what to expect. Again, this is your main driving force of the cleaner. So if you guys want some more troubleshooting on maybe why it's not working, again, check out that playlist. I've got another video for you guys on diagnosing some of those problems. But at this point, if you've diagnosed that the turbine's bad, maybe you have some bad turbine bearings or just an issue, these are the quick fixes that you're going to want to use. So only tool that you'll need is just your Phillips head screwdriver. And what you are focused on are these two blue wheel bearings located right here on both sides of the cleaner. This is what basically helps keep that turbine level and in place. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these turbine bearings, and then we should be able to easily slide the turbine out. So go ahead, unscrew them. Now, if you haven't had a chance to see some of the previous videos, I do mention this, and I mention this in a lot of my videos. Please do not use power tools when you are doing this. Just use a regular screwdriver. This cleaner does not have pre-done holes for any of the screws. It has the hole there, but it does not have any other kind of protective no other kind of protective piece for the screw to go into. So if you guys over tighten this, or if you guys don't install it properly, or you take this on and off too many times, then you're going to end up causing an issue with the frame, which the frames are not available for purchase. They are only available through warranty. So once the frame has gone, it's time to get a new cleaner. So try and be gentle when you guys are dealing with this, because this is one of the originals. So you guys want to make sure that you guys are being safe in that process. So I went ahead and removed both sets of screws. And as you guys can tell, I just grabbed one side of the axle on each, and the whole turbine assembly is going to slide out. So there went some of my screws. So I'll go ahead and set those off to the side. So you have your turbine bearings. These are obviously color coded. So when you buy these, they will be blue. That way you guys actually know which ones are your turbine bearings and which one would be a wheel bearing. So when you guys are buying the parts directly on the website, they have the notorious Polaris blue. So you'll see that. It makes it a lot easier when you guys are trying to talk about it or diagnose it at all. So knowing that it's blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove both of those. And then as you guys will see, we have our full turbine. So this is your main drive force of the cleaner. You guys will notice they have these clear little sleeves on here. These are actual turbine cover. They're like special pieces that are made specifically for these turbines to help reduce friction as this thing is spinning from the pressure provided by your booster pump. So you definitely want to make sure that you have these on here. It's a thicker plastic than like a straw plastic, so I wouldn't suggest just trying to makeshift one. We do have these available for you guys. I think it's called an axle shaft protector or something. So you'll have to check those out. We'll have the link available in the description for you guys. It's got the one long side, obviously, for the longer side of the turbine, and then one small little piece for the opposite end, as this is the one that kind of sticks out just barely over the frame of the cleaner. So it is directional when you're putting it back together, but highly make sure and highly recommend that you guys have these on. It just helps make sure that this lasts longer for you. So yeah, just want to show you guys how to get access to that turbine, remove it. Obviously, when you're going to put the new one in, it just slides back in. You're going to want to make sure that you put your turbine bearings in correctly. The actual logo and made in the USA is what's actually going to be directionally forced in towards the cleaner. So you should just have the blank side facing out. So those are directional. That's how the axle will slide into them. You won't be able to fit the axle in them the other direction. So yeah, make sure you guys check out the links in the description again. Check out that playlist. Be sure to hit that like button and make sure you guys subscribe, because we're going to have a ton more videos coming your way. But until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time. you.